So today's project at hand is to clean up some of this pond dredging. Right here in front of me is some of the old dirt that I pulled out of the pond. You can see obviously there's a tree over there, and we're going to put it right over here, make it nice and smooth, because that's where my old pond drain was. We've got Tucker over here. He's watching today and helping. You probably can't see him because he's standing behind the excavator, but Tucker is mic'd up, so you're gonna hear his commentary as well today. We're gonna get to it. That tree over there I'll just set aside. We'll put that on the brush pile later. I guess we'll just start right here. Ooh, that did not break apart. All right. Not a good start. This is mostly cattail roots mixed with pond dirt, but it'll be good enough fill for me for over in this area. It'll eventually break down and turn into mud. This tree out of the way here. She's heavy. She's real heavy.
Oh, that was close.
That was heavy, huh?
Yeah,
Did
that
the
was.
excavator tip up a little?
Yeah. That was a close one.
All right. It's a little slick.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, what?
That is deep.
It is
rut.
deep, yeah.
I've seen worse though.
Yeah, me too. All right, so this stuff isn't grading like dirt does. You know, obviously it's a bunch of roots, cattail roots, so it's not going to be as clean as one would expect normal dirt to be. But we're going to do our best to make it half decent. I'm going to come through with the rototiller anyway. Till all this stuff. Just need to get a rough grade. What are you doing, fixing my lawn? I don't think he can hear me. Yeah? Fixing the lawn?
Yeah. Yay.
It's not really a lawn, it's more of the field. Oh, Tucker's messing with the camera. What are you doing?
It was like barely, you were like right on the side.
Right on the side, did you move it?
Yeah, tiny bit.
Tucker the cameraman. What would I do without him? Should put him on payroll. All right, you know what I call that?
What?
Good enough for government work.
Yeah, I don't think it looks bad.
Tucker doesn't, you see Tucker's seal of approval right there. Better than a big pile, right?
Yeah,
Once that dries up, hit it with the rototiller once, we'll be in business, huh?
yeah.
Yeah, that's what I think. What's next?
I don't know. Tree?
The tree? All right. But you want to see the excavator too?
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
Yeah.
For the
Good.
cameraman, hard at work. All right, we got this pretty bad leaner here, leaning on another tree. Tucker, I want you behind the excavator over here.
Yeah.
The camera's replaceable, you are not.
Yup.
All right, successful.
Yay! That was very loud-ish.
Lot of kinetic energy there, huh?
Yeah.
I don't even know if kinetic energy is the right word, but
Yeah, it is.
is it?
We're learning about in science right now, so yeah.
Really?
Oh gosh, I almost thought you got whacked in the face.
That what?
I thought you got just whacked in the face.
Why'd you think that?
I don't know.
Didn't you see me step back?
Yeah. That was
Knucklehead.
crazy.
That was crazy, huh? All right. What's next?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Wait, you know what?
What?
Why don't I do the excavator and try to pick up that?
You want to try to pick that up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tucker wants to try the excavator.
Yeah. That was almost, looks like you almost slipped.
No, I just didn't want to put my foot down in that big puddle.
Oh.
All right, what's first?
This.
Yep.
And then,
Let's give you just a touch of throttle. Tucker ran it yesterday, so we'll see if he's still got it. Where are you gonna put it? Over there? Okay. Don't forget your blade's down. You gotta lift your blade up if you're gonna move. Okay.
Wait, how do you want me to do this?
I don't know. You're the one that said you were gonna put it somewhere.
Hmm?
You were the one that said you were gonna put it somewhere.
Yeah, I probably have to re-grip it so I can lift it up.
Why? It's gripped. Oh, you mean all the way up off the ground?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is what you want to do. Track the machine backwards.
Yep.
That way.
Okay.
That way, and then you'll let it down, and then you can track the machine forward and grab it in the middle. You get what I'm saying?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
Good, now just reach out. Don't forget, you can reach with this thing. Good job. Oof. If anybody's wondering, that's what it looks like when a 9-year-old runs a mini excavator. Go ahead, put the bucket on the...
Now I'm 10.
Oh, he's 10, he can hear me too. He's 10, that's right.
Wait, what?
I said, oh yeah, you just had your birthday. I forgot you were 10.
Yeah.
All right.
That was not very easy.
Well, you're also young and you're not very experienced.
Yeah.
What'd you think?
That was fun.
It was fun?
Yeah.
So is this the only excavator you ever run?
No.
What other excavator have you run?
The one over there.
Which one?
The one when they dredge the pond.
They let you run the excavator or the track loader?
I think they did both.
You think?
No, they let me drive it up the driveway.
The excavator?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. But no digging.
No.
So this is the first excavator you dug with.
Yeah.
You dug yesterday.
Mhm.
Yeah. And picked up trees with today.
Yeah.
Checking things off the bucket list, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, we got the pond cleaned up. Little portion that I wanted to get cleaned up at least. And Tucker got to play a little bit. We cleaned up that dangerous tree. We got a lot done for just under an hour of work, right?
Yeah.
I think that's all I have to do for today.
Yeah.
I did a lot in the back this morning.
You did?
I did. Did a lot in the back this morning. Just burning dollar bills, huh?
Yeah.
Just burning dollar bills.
Mhm.
But we're getting a lot done.
Yeah.
So things I have planned for the future for this machine. Again, this is not my machine. It was just dropped off here for me to use in trade for working on somebody's truck. But we got to finish up in the food plot. We do not have much left back there, to be honest. Got to get the grading bucket back there a little bit. And
You
I got to
think?
clean... What?
You think that we need to get that back there? We do.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, Tucker says we need to get it back there. All right.
Yeah.
You heard it here
ruts.
first, folks.
Yeah.
The boss has spoken. I'm going to get these trees cleaned up. These are going to be all mostly firewood. Probably won't record that, though, honestly. Probably just clean them up. I don't know.
Mhm.
What else? I think that's it.
Yeah.
All right, that's it. Thanks
Yeah.
for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. And hit that like button. Appreciate every single one of you.